Hello, hello. It's Roland Mills, a classically trained opera singer and former starving artist. Welcome to my channel. I'm here to inspire you to make money and build real wealth. So subscribe for more personal finance conversations like this one. Today, I'm going over Tesla, my mild obsession, and my top stock pick for 2021 and beyond. I'll be covering what this company is, what potential risks there might be as an investment, and what the potential upside might be as well. Spoiler alert, I believe this one stock will increase America's millionaire population to all-time highs. You won't want to miss this episode because the train is about to leave the station. All aboard. All aboard! Quick disclaimer, I am not a licensed financial advisor. I am just an opera singer on YouTube sharing what information has worked for me in the hopes that it will inspire you to grow your wealth as well. Before we get started, I'd greatly appreciate it if you could smash the like button. It helps spread the word to other people like you. Also, subscribe and hit that notification bell thing that's in front of me so you don't miss out on future tips I'll be dropping along the way. Alrighty then, let's get into it. Tesla. I'm literally obsessed with this company, this stock, this Cybertruck, which by the way, I've pre-ordered 3 of them, 1 of each tier, and I'll make a video as to why I did that probably later this week. Just in case you've been living under a rock and have no idea what Tesla is, Tesla is a company that produces electric cars, car insurance, solar panels and roofs, and battery packs you can stick to the side of your house to save money. That is literally the biggest understatement I have ever made, but I don't want this video to be too long. So Tesla was founded in 2003 with the mission to accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy. At first they were seen as a joke. In fact, even now many Wall Street analysts think this company is a joke. It's overvalued and it can't compete with legacy automakers. They are wrong, in my opinion. As a stock, Tesla has increased in value over 608% this year. For comparison, the S&P 500 index has grown 12.45% in the same amount of time. Tesla has managed to create products that are not only cost-effective alternatives to internal combustion engines, but are faster, prettier, and that offer far more features than your standard or even luxury car. They are the first American car company to go public since Ford did back in 1956, but they are far more than just an automaker. For now, I'll just say that they are building the future and conquering the most profitable segments of our economy in the process. Just in case you've never bought a stock before, here's some juicy info for you. Guys, right now you can get 4 free stocks by clicking on my link in the description and signing up. So pretty much you get 2 free stocks just for signing up, valued up to $250. And then if you make your initial deposit of $100, you receive another 2 free stocks valued up to $1,600. That is absolutely free money. Tesla is a risky investment. Most Wall Street analysts don't know what to make of this company. Even now, despite Tesla's over $600 share price, analysts from JP Morgan Chase have listed their price target at the time of this recording at $90. The company has been very volatile, which also adds to Wall Street's reluctance to get behind them. Despite meeting inclusion requirements, it took an extra successfully profitable quarter for the S&P to finally announce Tesla's inclusion on December 21st, 2020. History is littered with startup car companies that didn't make it and went bankrupt. There is a huge financial barrier to entry in this race. Even now, analysts fear what legacy auto's response might do to Tesla's growth. The most reasonable bear case I've heard revolve around battery supply. Tesla does not lack for demand, and they are building the factories they need to manufacture enough cars, but their supply chain may run short when it comes to battery supply. Tesla's Battery Day event showcased Tesla's revolutionary new battery design and their intentions to manufacture them at scale. But even by their calculations, that production, in addition to supply from LG Chem, Panasonic, CATL, and others, may not be enough to meet the production numbers they need. Competitors like Volkswagen have ordered enough battery supply for 4.5 million battery electric vehicles through 2023. The bear argument is that when the other legacy automakers start to turn up the heat on electric car production as well, they could muscle Tesla out of supply that they need to grow, even if Tesla's cars are better, faster, more advanced technologically in every way. I, for one, am not worried. Investing in Tesla has many possible benefits. Tesla has literally changed my life. My portfolio has grown over 400% this year alone. This stock trades over 21 times sales. For perspective, Toyota, the industry leader, trades at 0.8 times sales. That's undeniable domination. Tesla now has a market cap greater than all other automakers combined, and it's only going to grow more from here. In addition to factories in Fremont, Nevada, and Shanghai, Tesla is currently building massive factories in Berlin and Austin, Texas as well. They also have increasing market share in their insurance, battery pack, and solar divisions. Elon Musk, CEO of Tesla, recently predicted that they will grow at least 50% year over year for the next decade.
Elon has mentioned a 50% compound annual growth target for Tesla in the past. Is this still in line with Tesla's ambitions for the next 5 to 10 years? This would be 4 million vehicles in 2025 and more than 20 million vehicles in 2030. Is 40% a more realistic target?
Well, it's always difficult to predict what the macro situation is going to be. I think very few people would have predicted, the unexpected sort of, roundhouse that COVID came up with, that sort of came out of nowhere. I think in the absence of some massive force majeure event, but quite massive, I think 50% is the likely number.
Let's take a look at a compound interest calculator. There we go. Assuming a 50% yearly rate of growth, if you were to buy $1,000 of Tesla stock every month for 10 years, your $120,000 investment would turn into over $3.4 million. Yeah. And in response to that bear case regarding encroachment from legacy automakers, they are too late, too cumbersome, and too married to their internal combustion history to catch up now. Not to mention the fact that the vast majority of engineering students are clamoring to work for Elon Musk at either SpaceX or Tesla. The competition is already sunk. It's only a matter of time before we start seeing these monoliths just crumble. As they are squeezing out their last breaths, they may throw money at snagging all the batteries they can, but there are some major issues with this. For one, it won't stop Tesla from just producing their own batteries, and for two, legacy automakers have not yet vertically integrated their electric car production. Each car will cost a fortune for them to produce, so they can produce all the electric cars they want, but they won't be able to make a decent enough profit from those sales to cover their overhead, which is massive, by the way. Tesla, on the other hand, plans to decrease battery costs by over 50%. On every earnings call, I have seen Tesla profit margins climb. They've just completed a second capital raise on December 9th, 2020, so they have another $5 billion of cash to play with. They are not going bankrupt anytime soon. Their most profitable sector hasn't even been unleashed yet. Robotaxis. Ride-hailing is currently a $70 billion industry and is likely to reach over $200 billion by 2026. Tesla can come scoop all of that up with little more than an over-the-air software update. As a stock, Tesla has definitely had some crazy ups and downs. It's been a hair-raising roller coaster ride, but I suspect that Tesla's inclusion to the S&P will help to, stabilize the stock. Either way, I am using every commission check I get from work to buy more Tesla stock. Yes, I am obsessed. Researching Tesla has become my #1 guilty pleasure. That and Blackpink. Anyway, just to summarize today's video, Tesla is the world's leading electric vehicle manufacturer. They've been struggling since 2003, but have finally hit their stride just a short year ago. Their focus on building the machine that builds the machine and vertical integration has allowed them to scale production of electric vehicles in a profitable way. They definitely aren't the safest investment. Many Wall Street analysts are still hesitant to raise their price targets because it's hard to valuate Tesla if you still consider them just a car car company. Starting a car company is hard. Many have tried and many have failed because of how much money you need to spend before you actually start turning a profit. It literally took Tesla like 16 or 17 years before seeing their first profitable quarter. Many bears believe that legacy automakers will sweep in and destroy this underdog, but Tesla is just too far ahead of the pack. Tesla is building new factories, releasing new models of vehicles, cutting manufacturing costs, manufacturing their own batteries, expanding their insurance coverage, producing energy generation and storage offerings, and will truly dominate once regulators allow them to turn on the Robotaxi fleet. Imagine that. A world where you could just hop into a car and as it drives you to your destination, you just kick back your feet and read your favorite book. You know, like this one, written by my beautiful wife, Jessie Marie. Link below in the description. I've also left links to investing platforms so you can start buying Tesla stock and pick up some other free stocks along the way. Tell me thank you. Well, that's the end of today's video. I hope you found it educational and entertaining. I'll eventually monetize this channel just so YouTube will blast it out to more people, but I really am not doing this for the money. I'm doing this because I truly believe that there must be a way for artists like myself to create without becoming starving artists. Stay tuned for more personal finance tips, reaction videos, and stories from my days as a performer in the future. In the meanwhile, feel free to follow me on Instagram and comment down below if there's a topic you'd like to see me tackle next. Till the next time, I hope you all keep creating and spreading love through your art. That's something that money can't buy, and it's the best part of the human experience. Much love. Bye.